Candidates who pass on this opportunity are missing an opportunity to shine. Having no questions shows not only a lack of interest in the role or the airline, but also a total lack of understanding of what the interview process is all about. No matter what you've said in the interview or how great your credentials are, do not miss this opportunity to leave them with the feeling that you are someone who is exactly the bright, resourceful, energetic person they want to add to their airline. You should come up with something that shows you are thinking ahead about the job and the airline. For example, after I start, what would the first few weeks look like for me? You could also use this opportunity to decide if the job and airline are right for you. For example, what is a typical career path for a hard-working cabin crew?